I feel like we're just like a bunch of weirdos that just make random noises.
Weird noises.
Yeah, that's all we do. Yes.
We do make a lot of really weird.
That's what I'm saying. We just make weird noises all the time. It's whatever.
We're gonna experience something new.
I can't even imitate that. Oh my god, I'm so blown away.
Wait, what? That's great.
Okay, but hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
I'm really excited about this one because it's animated or partially animated. But I love animated shit. It's always fun. Thanks to our lovely patron, Mikey.
Mikey.
We will be checking out Sound of Thunder. They are a They are a heavy metal band from DC, Washington, DC. So
Sweet.
American. They started back in 2008. I read that this song that we're reacting to, it was metal. That album, they used a Kickstarter to fund it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so, and they raised twice the goal that they needed for it.
Oh, that's always good.
Right,
Yeah.
and I'm really, really, really excited because the video's animated. And it has like a dragon that's voiced by an actor that was in The Big Bang Theory, and I fucking love The Big Bang Theory.
Interesting.
He played a geologist. I think his name is like Brian Posen. Okay. But yeah, so excited about seeing that. And then also Mikey said that we would really like this because the lead singer Nina was operatically trained.
Wow.
So she hits like crazy high notes and whatnot. So you know we love the vocals.
Yes.
So I'm just animation,
right?
Crazy vocals, and you know that makes
and Big Bang.
And Big Bang Theory aspect of it, it's all put together to make me very happy. And it's also pretty long. It's like 8 minutes long.
Right.
So
We're in
I'm
journey.
excited to check this out. But yeah, this song came out back in 2018.
Okay. All right.
All right.
The throne room.
663. 664.
Go ahead.
665.
You gonna stop at 666?
666.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Roth, I am the best. I got this realm on lockdown.
Yep.
He doesn't. He uses him as his towel.
And now I have time for the protein.
No. No.
Time for the protein.
Come here, you. No, they're so disposable.
It was metal.
Yes.
It's so random. Nice.
In the beginning, when all was black, an explosion cracked the sky. Volcanoes erupted, the earth was corrupted by the sound that terrified.
Wow.
From the chaos came savage men to feast on the flesh of the beast he slew. Under the cave and discovered the fire and the thunder, the strongest that men knew. It was metal, every metal.
Wow.
It's been here since time began. Electrifying and unifying.
We got hit in the forehead with an eyeball.
In 1913, the Rite of Spring Symphony made the crowd lose control. Then the bluesman sealed the crossroads deal with the devil for a soul to bring us rock and roll. And now you can hear it pounding.
Oh my god.
There's joy in the
You better throw them drumstick.
Okay, I give.
You burned all those people.
You woke me up and dropped roadies on me.
Yeah, fair point.
I must say, I'm really digging the metal.
Look at others not managing strategies for your domain.
Bring me my sword.
We strike down the unbelievers, defenders,
I just realized we haven't paused it at all, have we? Yeah. Dragon's got a ball gag in his mouth.
Yes, he
by the
does.
way.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, very interesting.
Oh. All of this.
It was metal. Grinder. Yeah, so that's all the credits.
Yeah.
It was metal. Well, that was pretty cool.
I'm a happy camper over here.
It was metal. I liked how it took you through like a story, you know? I'm gonna guess like there's more. Is there more to this? Like, is there another like follow-up video or something, do you think?
Looks like there is.
Yeah.
There's another animated music video, but that was cool and funny.
It kind of reminded me of Pick of Destiny. They tried to tame the metal or something like that.
I love Nina's vocals. I thought the animated aspect was awesome.
It was funny, yeah.
And yeah, that was really cool.
I kind of wish that they stuck with the animation, you know, instead of like going to the, because they had their own characters like drawn up and stuff. I thought that was really neat, since I'm guessing this was one of their first like visuals, like videos and stuff. So maybe they were trying to like put themselves in the video. But
I mean, they have other music videos, because they've been out since 2008. So
yeah,
but yeah, maybe they just wanted to be in it.
yeah.
I thought that would be cool, which I'm fine with.
Right.
I think I was more the storyline was a little weird, because it was like, wait, why is the devil mad? Why is he coming?
And then like the devil's working out, and then the earth shakes, and then there's a dragon, and then they fight the dragon, but then they tame the dragon, and then the devil comes out and fights someone else though. Who
I thought it was her. I thought it changed to
Yeah,
her.
but
and
when did she become like the skeleton thing?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
That part just lost me. I did have like the Hobbit vibes of like
Oh, totally. Smog.
waking up
like,
Smog and he coming and destroying shit, and then they beat him with metal.
They beat him with
It was metal, heavy metal.
It was metal.
Heavy metal that tamed the giant, but not the devil.
No. Or provoked the devil.
It provoked him. But no, that was cool and it was different and I enjoyed it and I like their sound. What is it? It kind of reminds me of
Unleash the Archers.
yes, it does remind me of Unleash
Very
the Archers.
reminiscent of Unleash the Archers.
But I love Unleash the Archers too, so
Yeah.
makes sense that I really like this as well. So I am glad that we get to check them out. So thank you, Mikey, for suggesting this. 'Cause this was
you.
right up the alley of like what we like.
It was metal.
It was. But yeah, let us know in the comments below what you guys thought of A Sound of Thunder. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check us out on Patreon. We have block videos, behind the scenes content, and also check us out on Instagram, LEANNxARI. Thank you guys so much for watching.